Hello. Hello, my name's Paula Murphy. I'm Assistant Team Manager at the Adult Safeguarding Team in the Wrexham Local Authority. So my previous career, I worked as a manager in hotels, managing staff budgets, health and safety, resources up and down the country, training as well, and that my skills were transferable that I found, so that was very helpful. I understood working to what you have, understanding schedules, talking to the public as well, just having conversations with individuals and trying to support from that angle really. So I found it very helpful. I'm very privileged that I've had two careers that I've really enjoyed as well. I came to working in social services about 12 years ago. I had a change in direction. From there I went back to adult learning for 12 months, voluntary work, and then undertook my degree in Gweithwyr University. From there I was able to get a position in mental health services. I was there about 5 years. Absolutely loved that post. Worked in GP surgeries under the measure, so that was very new at the time. Since then I've worked in GT teams in adults, and I've worked in the dolls team as a best interest assessor. I've also completed my CPEL, so a senior practitioner, as well as a practice teacher. I currently work as assistant team manager in the safeguarding team, and I've been in post now approximately 2 years. I'd like to get the message across is that don't be put off by any perceived barriers or myths out there. You know, look into it. The skills are transferable. It is worth considering and going on a new adventure. Currently at the moment, as we're all experiencing COVID, we have to work differently. There's been lots of challenges for teams right across the local authorities, our colleagues in health, third sector, care homes, everyone that we would normally work and partner up really. In adult safeguarding, we try to reduce risk, support individuals, provide advice. All this is much difficult now given the restrictions with visits and PPE. We're actually in a work bubble at the moment to try and ensure as we go into the cooler months that we protect ourselves as well as keeping the service going. However, saying all that, I love my job. We get to meet people and enable people to make good choices. We get to support and ensure professionals have the right advice as well, and we come together holistically to try and keep people and families and their loved ones safe in the community. Every day is different. You can be from a conversation with a carer to supporting our colleagues, putting in extra services, signposting, education, training, right across the board. Never 2 days are the same. The best thing that, and my colleagues will probably say the same thing, is better outcomes for people, for the individuals, that they get to say what their wishes are. That means a lot for us to improve, to move, to do better, to reflect, to remove risk. Feedback to individuals, take them on the journey with us as well. That tends to be, I like that the most out of my whole day. Oh, we're done.